comes another! Here comes another loud opinion, rolling in without permission. Same old speech, a brand new hour, drunk on noise and borrowed power. You interrupt, you overstay, turn every room into debate.